What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mark here from Savage Marketing Hacks. I want to show you today an easy way to start earning $100 a day, or at least $100 a week. If not, if you're really just unmotivated, at least $100 a month even, and without much effort. So it's a couple really simple tasks to do. You can get stuff like this. Like, for instance, on Thursday, I made $118. I didn't do anything, just from maybe my links being out there on the internet, from sharing it with friends and family or posting in groups. I got another $116 on Tuesday. Again, I don't know where these people are coming from. It's just kind of coming in. To date, I've made about $1,500, pretty much not even doing anything, not really heavily promoting it. No Facebook ads. This is all organic traffic going to clicking on the links that I provide in random areas, whether it's on my website or on my funnel or in a group or, wherever I've put them. So here's the deal. You want to start earning $100 a day. You're going to go to ClickFunnels.com. You're going to sign up for ClickFunnels, right? It's free to sign up. You get a 14-day free trial. Within that 14-day period, if you sign up with my link, I'll send you my One Funnel Away Challenge funnel. Now, here's what you have to do. You have to go to affiliates. You have to go to the affiliate dashboard or section of ClickFunnels after you sign up for your free account. And you're going to go ahead and register as an affiliate on the website. And it takes maybe a day or so for them to get back to you. And what will happen is ClickFunnels affiliates you'll start earning 30% commission, and you could eventually earn up to 40% commission after you have at least 40 active ClickFunnels members within your on your first level. Those affiliates that have clicked on your link and signed up through your affiliate link. Now, active members, if you have 100 active members, you can get a $500 a month commission check going to you every single month as long as those 100 people are active. Now, that's basically what they call the dream car payments. And what they want to do is they want to pay for your dream car because you're doing so much to promote their company. If you have 200 active members, you'll receive a freaking $1,000 a month. You can pay for 2 cars if you want. Now, this is a generous company. So again, go to clickfunnels.com with the link that I provide in this video underneath in the description. Sign up for your 14-day free account. Register as an affiliate by going to affiliates.clickfunnels.com. Wait to hear back. Once you get approved, you're going to go into your affiliate dashboard and you're going to look to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge. Now, here's why. The One Funnel Away Challenge costs $100. It's about $4,000 worth of material in the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's a 30-day program, a 30-day training program that people can go through to learn how to build, launch, and scale their own business through making funnels and sharing with the world. Now, they pay you 100% commission. Somebody buys a $100 One Funnel Away Challenge through your link. They turn around and they send you that $100 right back because they end up making money on the back end through different affiliate offers and upsells and stuff like that. So they basically just want to get people in the door. This is an easy way for anybody to make $100 a day. So to date, I have had 4 people go through my One Funnel Away funnel and opt in through my link. I've made $400. That's included in the, where is it? Go back to my affiliate dashboard. That is included in the year-to-date money that I have actually made, which is about $1,500. So $1,500 includes 4 people going through the One Funnel Away Challenge, and it also is people signing up for ClickFunnels through my link, whether they get the ClickFunnels Platinum, which is the high tier package at $249 a month, I think, something like that, or they get the regular ClickFunnels, the basic edition, which is $97 a month. Now remember, you have 14 days to do this. Usually when somebody signs up for your One Funnel Away Challenge, you get the payout of that $100 in 30 days from the moment they sign up because they want to make sure people aren't going to try to get a refund and, it'll just mess up their whole accounting system. So they make sure they go through the One Funnel Away Challenge. There's no refunds, and then boom, they give you that money. So you could potentially rack up a couple $1,000 if you share with enough people. If you share with 10 people, 10 people sign up, that's $1,000 in your pocket that'll be coming to you in about 30 days or so. So that's an incredible offer. That's as simple as it can get. Guys, sign up for ClickFunnels, get your 14-day free trial. Let me know. I'll send you my funnel that you can import into your account absolutely free. Then you can start sharing it with people. Go to the affiliate center, apply for an affiliate. Once they approve you, boom, just start hammering your links, sending it, blasting it out to friends and family. And I'd also encourage you to go through the One Funnel Away Challenge too, if you have not done that. So that's it. Hope it wasn't too confusing, guys. Hope you got the essence of what I was trying to give you. Easy $100 a day. That's signing up one person a day. If you talk to 10 to 15 people a day, send out 100 emails, make 20 phone calls, you can easily sign up one person a day if you really are committed to making about $100 a day. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Drop a comment. Share this video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more videos on tips, tricks, and easy hacks on how to make some extra money and how to learn how to do marketing online. All right, guys, I'm peacing out. Have a wonderful day.